the leaders thinks that everyone can be like them. So if people can't be like them, then something must be wrong. Start off by talking about some of the mistakes of rookie managers, right? Rookie leaders. So the first one, the leaders thinks that everyone can be like them. They kind of hold everybody to the same standard as them in terms of their work ethics. And because they've worked hard, because they put in that time, they put in that grit, they put in that effort. So because of that, for them, they use that same reference point and the same ruler to measure the rest of the people that they are with. So if people can't be like them, then something must be wrong. The second one, leaders thinks that everyone is the same. Because of the high expectations that they have for themselves, many can't fit the bar, right? Because how can it be a clone, Because of this, it results in them thinking that, everyone is the same. They are lazy or they are not talented and they haven't have the right fit. And so in an organization, they will go to HR and they will say that, can you hire people that are more competent, that are more qualified, that are better than what you are giving me? There's this kind of internal tension that arises because they think that everyone is the same. It leads to the third one, which gravitates them towards people that are like them. So actually, they are looking for clones of themselves, right? And when we talk about like them, it could be in terms of their reliability, in terms of their work ethics, in terms of their ability to deliver and their ability to perform, or even how hardworking and how energetic they are, right? And how sociable they are, and the way that they are closing deals, the way they're interacting with internal clients and external clients and stuff like that. So these are people that are just looking for clones of themselves. So now with knowing, what are some of the things that we can do? So I want to unpack a little bit about some of the approaches of great managers. So the first thing, great leaders and great managers translate employees' unique talents into performance, because there's many styles of management. But one of the key things that we learn that great leaders have, great bosses have, is that they put effort and they try, and some people become very skilled at it. Some people are kind of naturally good at it. But one key thing is that it is a skill that can be learned. And what is that skill? The skill at discovering and capitalizing on what is unique about each individual person. And this means that they think carefully about their people's strengths, about their quirks, and use this knowledge to translate everyone's talents into performance.